Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor to 100 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Following that, you need to download this app called Send Anywhere and launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge located at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Either way, now click on your device's displays and finally select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon available above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. When you finished, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!